There are principles that are stronger now than ever before, especially with the wave of technology and innovation. It has become critical to learn and redevelop those skills for being able to connect with people stronger.
Everyone should attend Dale Carnegie training. Most frequently we hear from our graduates, 25 years ago I took the program and it changed my life. I want everyone in my organization to take it, or everyone in my family to take it.
We offer practical tools that work.
Leaders a lot of times focus on processes over the people and spend a lot of time there. And if we focus more of our time on the performance of our people, the quicker the results come.
We get results because we're people-centered.
We genuinely care about the participant, and we're not afraid to coach them to elevation.
Dale Carnegie training transforms organizations because it works with the individual strengths of people.
As people are gaining more understanding and respect for each other, the communication dynamic changes completely, and they become far more effective and productive.
We focus on helping people to set individual goals and develop these goals. Therefore, we see people that are more engaged, more enthusiastic, and more empowered.
The best person to attend a Dale Carnegie course is anyone who is looking to improve their communications, their human relations, and in general, being a better version of themselves.